What's up again, guys? This is Chris again with BenhamBaseballCards.com. This is blaster box number 4 of Series 2. I believe this is the box that doesn't have any red border, so if we see any red border, that's a great way to start right there. If we see any red border, we'll know that even boxes without the badge have them, but I don't think that they do. I think they're just generic boxes. See that nice white scratch right there? Yeah, something gouged out this pack. See if it's on the outside. Yeah, I don't know. Could have been just about anything that did it. So that one's no good. Sorry, Kenley. Brian Dempster. Chris Heisey. Jonathan Herrera. Yoenis Cespedes rookie card, the first one we've gotten, I believe. Troy Tulowitzki, a cut above. Dwight Gooden, good old Doc Gooden, mound dominance. Nate McLouth. Dave Saplett, Josh Beckett, Tim Stauffer, Daniel Descalso, Kyle Farnsworth, Edwin Encarnacion, Clayton Kershaw code card, and Andre Ethier. See that these are definitely packaged differently. Rafael Dolis rookie card. Yu Darvish rookie card. Yeah, there might be a couple people that want that. Houston Street. Matt Harrison. Prince Fielder, who so far has always followed up Matt Harrison's card. Joe DiMaggio career day. Stan Musial, 87 Topps Mini. Daisuke Matsuzaka. Mark Burley. Andre Ethier. Yoshinori Tateyama, rookie card. Aubrey Huff, Guillermo Moscoso, Chris Perez, Reggie Jackson Golden Moments. This is the same one that we had last time that we saw in the first box. Seeking Separation, might have been the second box. Jack Hanahan. I always get him and Joel Hanrahan all mixed up, as I'm sure many people do. Jake Peavy, J.J. Hardy, Michael Schwimmer rookie card, Schwimmer, Hisashi Iwakuma rookie card, Craig Gentry, Hector Noesi, Alex Rodriguez gold standard, Mike Trout with Torrey Hunter and Mark Trumbo. Jeff Locke rookie card. Thomas Field rookie card. Dan Herron, Gabby Sanchez, Brett Gardner, Jason Mott gold sparkle, Neftali Feliz gold futures, Mike Carp. Nick Swisher. Eric Chavez. Josh Satin rookie card, or Satin. Taylor Green rookie card. Buster Posey. Mickey Mantle, a cut above, the third one we've gotten. Alex Gordon, 87 Topps Mini, the second one we've gotten. Another Topps Pennant advertisement card with a question about the Rockies. And Jose Molina. Rafael Furcal. Gio Gonzalez. Chris Capuano. Ramon Hernandez. Carlos Santana. George Brett, I believe the same one we got. Carlos Gonzalez code card, and Adam LaRoche. 2 more regular packs, and the final patch card. Matt Thornton, Tommy Hunter, Tyler Green, Jeff Baker, Roger Bernardina, Mound Dominance Bob Feller. Way to go, young feller. Career Day, Miguel Cabrera. Jack Hanahan. Okay, something ain't good there. Mike Trout. We'll start this pack with Mike Trout, Torrey Hunter, and Mark Trumbo on the card as the Mike Trout card, and we will end the pack with the Mike Trout card, a card that we got not 2 or 3 packs ago. So 3 Mike Trout cards in the same pack. This one has a gouge on the back of it, so I will not include it since we have 3 of them. Jose Valverde, Heath Bell, Alexi Casilla, Alex Presley, Vladimir Guerrero, Dominican hits leader, and Freddie Sanchez is how we will end the last regular pack Gold Sparkle instead of the Mike Trout card. The final patch card. It's a decent one. Wade Boggs, retired numbers. Number 12. His jersey was retired by the Rays. I'm not really sure why. I don't really think he played long enough on the Rays to be retired as a Ray. But it's just a team retiring that number, not Major League Baseball. That is the end of it. I'll hold this one up again for you guys. I held the other ones up a little bit longer. Not too happy with the corners, the 2 lower corners down here. Hold them up here so you guys can see them against the black background. There it is. That's how we'll end it. 4 blasters of 2012 Topps Series 2, guys. I'll edit them as quick as I can and get them posted. I know everybody's been waiting to see some Series 2. See you guys later.